Last week, Huawei unveiled the GT4 at a ceremony hosted in a spectacular Gothic structure that dates back 3 centuries in Barcelona. One of the world's most distinguished long-distance track runners, Sir Mo Farah, unveiled the wearable with the gorgeous Pamela Reif, an influencer well known for her fitness videos. There were 7 distinct iterations of the smartwatch when it was first released, and the 46mm rainforest green model with a stainless steel case and braided composite strap was the one we were given. With a design that complements both the Ultimate and Watch Number series, but at a cheaper price and with a longer battery life, the Watch GT series of Huawei wearables often falls into the Goldilocks zone. The 1.43-inch circular screen of this new wearable is identical to that of the Watch 3 and Watch GT 3 series, but it also has an AOD that is specially designed to fit the watch face while maintaining battery life. Huawei claims that the Watch GT4 measures heart rate, sleep, and menstrual cycle more precisely. We will thoroughly evaluate the new TrueScene 5.5 Plus and TrueSleep 3.0 capabilities to verify the veracity of their 99% accuracy claims. In addition to monitoring lung function, the Watch GT4 has a feature called Body Glucose Awareness. This feature uses sophisticated algorithms to provide findings based on other health data that is gathered, including heart rate, arterial stiffness, sleep patterns, and electrocardiograms. The calorie monitor is another new function that has been introduced to the Harmony OS 4.0 powered gadget. All of these features seem fantastic in theory, and we'll do our hardest to offer a clear explanation of how accurate they really are. With moderate usage, the battery is supposed to last 14 days, but even frequent users should get up to a week between charges. Our rainforest green unit, at €270, is more in line with the lower end of the pricing range, which is €250 to €350. Although it seems good on paper, we won't know until the whole review is published. As we already have things under control, stay tuned for updates.